Dear friends, since the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic, there is a lot of debate, mythical and controversial in nature, letting all of us in a state of confusion, fear and anxiety. Today I will discuss some important points to deal with the pandemic COVID-19 with wisdom and facts. Fact number 1. Irrespective of protection, probably all of us will get the infection. Even WHO predicted that 70% of world population is likely to get it. So this is a fact and we have to accept it. Fact number 2. COVID-19 is not as dangerous as the wrong medicine or medication. The death rate was less than 3% in China and now nearly zero. Why? Due to Eastern herbal treatment. Fact number 3. The best defense against COVID-19 is not to fear, as fear alone can downgrade natural immunity to dangerously low level, even lead to fatality. Fact number 4. Most of the affectees or the victims of COVID-19 do not show any symptoms. Why? Just because of the health immune system. Therefore, taking foods boosting immunity can greatly reduce the risk. There is a wide variety of foods to make your own search and then take the one that is easily available and you like the taste. Fact number 5. To further improve your immunity and resistance against COVID-19, use any of the given items in your food and in your practices. Having strong antiviral properties contained by papaya, figs, kiwi fruit and pineapple. Fact number 6. In case you feel any of the symptoms of COVID-19, do follow to protect and to boost your immune system by start taking warm water in place of the tea. May add ginger or lemon or honey or all to make the kava. Take liquid food only, preferably barley porridge as recommended by Hazrat Aisha. And finally, take long hours of sleep. This is very necessary to improve your immunity system. Remember, no medicine can cure the disease except your own immune system. Medicine can provide temporary relief or manage the pain. Punchline is that the problem is not COVID, it is its treatment. Fact number 7. Do not take any medicine or the food that affects the functioning of liver or kidney, because that distract liver or the kidney to divert its energy from maintaining immunity. Take fruit rich in vitamin C, vegetables and try refrain high protein diet and fried foods. The fact number 8. Muslims are not supposed to fear COVID or pandemic for these reasons. Suffering, disease or death are destined by Allah Almighty. It will reach us even we are hidden in an iron castle. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ made a dua for the protection of Ummah from azab. Just reflects last 17 months figures of Muslim countries. An amazing fact, and that is the fact number 9. Pakistan, especially the poor localities of Pakistan, enjoyed extraordinary blessings. For the best reasons only God knows. In these areas, mosques were never closed, religious congregations were held in defense of measures recommended by WHO and the government. The record of the cases in comparison to actual population will confirm this blessing. Despite of sharing all these facts, I would recommend you to be cautious. Only because not everyone has the same faith and the same level of faith. So we don't have to scare them and we don't have to set a negative example. Be cautious, be careful and be humble to the people who are affected by this virus. And the last but not the least, may we all have the mercy of Allah and the courage and the wisdom to fight and to get over from this crisis of COVID-19. Thank you so much.